Transistor characteristics. Transistor configurations. Common emitter CE, common base CB, common collector CC. The most commonly used configuration of transistor is common emitter. Circuit arrangement of CE-NPN transistor. In this configuration, input is between base and emitter and output is between collector and emitter. The input characteristics of this transistor are known by the variation in IB with VBE. Similarly, its output characteristics are known by the variation in IC with VCE. Input characteristics. We can plot a graph between IB and VBE keeping VCE constant. Output characteristics. We can plot a graph between IC and VCE for different value of IB. Input resistance Ri. It is defined as a ratio variation in emitter voltage to the variation in base current at constant collector emitter voltage. Output resistance Ro. It is defined as a ratio variation in collector emitter voltage to the variation in collector current at constant base current. The high magnitude of the output resistance of a transistor is the result of the reverse bias state of the diode. Current amplification factor beta. It is defined as a ratio variation in collect current to the variation in base current at constant collection emitter voltage. Both beta AC and beta DC vary with VCE and with the currents IB/OIC slight variation. Transfer characteristics. The transfer characteristics of a transistor involves three operation regions: cutoff region, active region, saturation region. Look at the graph for the better understanding of transfer characteristics.